code. Okay, so we are clear about this substring method, right? So today we'll see some more method. So let me take one more string str equal to, let assume, okay, uh, there is a
Um,
yeah,
Abhinav, I had a doubt in string. So
yeah,
can I ask now?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So you said like the equals method is
Mhm.
overridden in the string, not equals.
Mhm.
The hash code is overridden in the string class, right?
Yes.
So when we get the hash code, right? For example, if you have a string with the value abi, and again, if you are creating another object, string object with the same value, so
Mhm.
the hash code will be same.
Yes.
Okay, and but the reference, like two objects will be separately created, right, in the heap.
Yes, it's one will get created in the heap, one will created in the what we call this constant pool.
Constant pull. Okay, no.
See.
If you are using this new
Mhm.
keyword,
Yes, yes. So
so
I
in
will
that
tell
case
you.
also, if you are use
I will tell
okay,
you. I will tell you basic thing. So this is hash code implementation because string has overridden, right? So
yeah,
that's the reason you are getting this. This is a implementation of. It's totally based on the string content and length, right? So if you see, let's take an example here. Okay, so I'm taking AB. Okay, strx, right? And
okay,
it's better to, okay, no, better to create string strx stry equal to new string, and then you have A and B, right?
yeah. My doubt is like if we are creating using the string new keyword, like
Mhm.
it's like string strx also like new string of ab. In that case,
Mhm. See,
in
they
that
have,
case also the hash code will be same.
yeah, it should be same because the reason is they are using the formula, right, that we are using.
Yeah, right. Yeah,
Determine that hash code. They have not mentioned
yeah,
anywhere like it's different for this and different for that. Okay. So we check that one. I never check this. Like usually we know that okay, hash code implementation is there. So it will always be same. You see?
yeah.
So it's like because see the basic funda is whenever you if you go in interview as well, right? So what you know, okay, based on that, you should be confident to answer your questions. Okay.
Okay,
They will ask you, they will make you confused by asking like this type of question, okay, new and but you have to remember, like you know this hash code implementation. I know this is the hash code implementation. See, this is the formula, right?
mm-hmm.
It's not
Yeah,
like
right.
we have figured it out. It's like already mentioned in the document. We have not done anything. We just
Okay,
have go through the document so that we know, right? And if you see here, it's anywhere it's mentioned like if you're using new and all, no, right?
okay,
It's a
okay.
content driven. So that is the reason they are having like this. Okay, clear?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, 1 second. Okay, any other doubt like you guys have? No, right? You guys able to hear me, right?
Yes, I don't have any.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay. Poonam,
Uh, not now, भैया.
not now. Maybe you get it later. Huh? Okay.
I think, but
So
not now.
okay. So one good thing, right? We are going to complete this string buffer string builder today. So the next class, you guys have to. We'll have a test, and then we'll proceed to wrapper. And then we are going to move with other topics and all. So we are going to have a test. So you all have to prepare. Okay. It's fine, right?
Yeah.
Kritika is not there.
Yeah, I think she didn't join. Let me ping her in WhatsApp.
Okay. Okay, fine. No issue. Okay. So what happened? You might get a question like this. If there is a string. Okay. There is a string. I am Avino Kumar Singh. And they will ask you, write a program to count. This is a sentence, right? I am Avino Kumar Singh. They will ask you, write a sentence to count how many words are there in this sentence. So any one of you answer this question? Okay.
Yeah, I forgot. Actually, we can
Okay. Fine. There is a method
get
called
the array. Yeah.
split.
Okay. Yeah.
So see here, you are having split with delimiter. So this thing you will explore. I will just tell you this too. Okay. So split. So what I'm saying is, okay, I know that. So when you form a sentence, right? I, then a space, then M, then a space, then M, then a space, then Kumar, then a space, then Singh. Right? So what I will do, I'm saying that split based on a space. Right? So it will split. Once it will split, it will return a string array. Okay. So now we'll see that here. System.out.println a dot
Length.
length. Okay. Okay. So what is the length?
5.
Length is 5, right? So it means there are 5 words. Can you count? You can see that. You can see that there is 1 second. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So in that way, you can say, okay, there is in this sentence, there is a 5 word. Okay. And they will ask you to print. You can print as well. System dot, okay. So now you all know about for each loop, right? You remember?
Yes.
Colon and then array. What is the name of
Array.
array? A. Then system.out.println. What are you supposed to print? You're supposed to print X.
Yes.
We'll see. So, right, 5 words. I am Abhinav Kumar Singh. Clear? So, split is clear, right? Okay. Now, 2 uppercase, 2 lowercase, substring, and there is one more thing. One more. So, let's assume.
Sound kami pani pani.
Let us assume I am having system.out.println and I'm going to this straw is a string, right? So I just want to add something on that string. Dot. And then if you add, so let Abhinav Kumar Singh from BLR. So I've added, right? Let me print this. So I'm Abhinav Kumar Singh from BLR. So BLR I added. To add that one, I have added what I use concat. So what it will do is just mouse over C. What it's saying. So basically, what it does, whatever parameter you will pass, it will add at the end of the string, right? It will create a new string. It's not like so. If you see this, 1 second. So when you do modification to a string, right, it will create a new object. Similar thing applied here as well, even though you are using a method, right? So we have learned length, caret, substring, equals, concat, and uppercase already we know. Okay. Now there is a program they used to ask, okay, so you have to count all the capital letter from this sentence. So let assume I have added I here. Here is M. So they will say, okay, can you count all the capital letter from this sentence? Can any one of you do that? Any suggestions like how we can do that? Kritika?
We can check the range, right, from capital A to Z. Then
Correct. We can
Compare the ASCII code.
yeah,
yeah, we can compare the ASCII code, but how? How you come like I can compare the ASCII code. That is
yeah,
fine.
from 65 to 97.
If the value is greater than 65. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry, 64.
If the value in between
And
65 to
4
97.
and 90, yeah.
Okay. Okay, and then
Like
how
that.
I will get each characters, right? It's a sentence, right? So I will get each character from the string.
We can create an array and
Character
put
char
all the
array.
characters in that array.
Okay, correct. So you will guide me, I will write the program, okay? This is the basic program. We must know that. Okay. So based on that in future, like if you write up other programs, it will help you. So let us say I'm having a for loop, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now I will start with int I equal to 0.
0.
0.
Okay, I started with 0. Now strw, sorry, I
Is less.
dot length, right? Sorry.
No.
I is less, sorry, I is
Less
less
than
than
or equal to
strw dot
length. I plus
okay,
plus.
so it will start with 0 and length minus 1, I think. Okay, but we'll see. I plus plus, right? So now I know that I will run throughout this sentence, right? So
Yes.
right now I want to go at this character. So how I will go that? Right? Then any one of you, like yesterday only I explained, right?
String.
Char 0 equal to um uh caret, right? The strw caret 0 comma 1. That means
Yes. Okay. So there is one method also. Okay. Now we'll use this method. Okay. So what I will do? I will do strw equal to strw dot char at I. Clear? So let us assume 0. So 0 what we will get? We'll get I. Now what we'll check? So we can check that if okay. So now we know that character, right? This char at I character. And then what you have to check? It should be fall in between character is greater than, we'll see, and character is less than 97.
97.
Okay, we'll see that. Then I will just 1 second. Then we'll print.
We can have a count if we want to count.
No need to count now. We just have to print that.
Oh, okay then.
It's check. You can do whatever you want to do. Okay, I will convert this again to character, right? and then we'll run this. 1 second. I think I'm doing something wrong. So we'll just pass to character. Okay, we'll just run this one. We may get index out of bound. We'll see. Is it correct?
Yes.
I and M, right? If
I
you
and M, yes.
above sentence, so I am is a capital, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now you learn this. What is it? How we can utilize this caret, right? I think there is one more method which is like, see. Let me comment this out. Okay. And I will write like this. I supposed to teach this one in wrapper class, but here it's fine. We can is uppercase is there, right? See, is uppercase is there, na? Method. So you just have to pass this whole thing inside this. So if it is uppercase, what it will do? It will return
Print.
true. If return true, you just
True.
print
Yes.
strw dot caret I. So it's pretty clean. It is doing the same thing, right? It will do the same thing. See, if you go inside, so see, they are converting in integer. See, I was also doing the same. 1 second. 1 second. There are many layers. 1 second. Mhm. So there are so many implementation. 1 second. Go inside. It's not taking to the library. Okay, I will see this. Uppercase. Okay, it's doing round table, no issue. So this uppercase will return true if this character is uppercase. Let me run this one. Illegal start of expression. Where I missed this line, right? Okay. Clear? Clear to all of you, right?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this method, so basically we'll check in a string buffer. Okay. So let us assume if you are having a string or a string buffer, so you can convert a string buffer to string. Okay. How we can convert? Okay, let us assume I am having a string object. I want to convert this to string buffer. We'll check. Or string builder. First we'll go with string buffer, then builder. See, both are having identical methods, okay? strw. So you can directly pass a string into string buffer constructor. And what happened? It will create a new object with the same content. Okay. This is the This is the way. Let assume this is the one way from string to string buffer. Let assume you are having a string buffer. Hello. But you want to convert this string buffer to string. You will do string str temp, any name. And then there are multiple ways you can do that. A string buff plus double quotes. If you do, it will become string. Okay. That is the one way. Second way is, we'll see, by using toString. You can convert this to string buffer. Sorry, string. This is the one. Another one is string dot value of, and you can pass here, one second, I think str buff. So string dot value of any value you want to convert to string, you can pass, you can use this method string dot value of, and you can just pass here 56. It will convert this 56 to string. Clear? Clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Similar way, whatever I did for string buffer, you can do with a string builder as well. Okay. Okay. String builder,
Okay.
everything same. Whatever I am doing with string buffer and all, you can do that. Okay. Now we'll learn some method of string buffer and then we'll proceed further. Okay. So let me have hello. Okay. Okay. So now let us assume this is string buffer. I will create one more string buffer. Str buff 2 equal to new string buffer equal to hello. So both is having same content, right? So we'll take here str. I should give the smaller name. Let me copy this. So now, okay, what I will do hash code. So the both object having the same content. So are we going to get the same hash code or different hash code? Quickly apply.
Different.
Hmm?
Different.
Different.
Different, right?
Yes,
Because
because
yeah,
it's a string buffer.
hash code is not overridden in this string
But
buffer.
one second, 10048. They're supposed to give different, but they are giving same. One second.
Because you have put string buff 2 times, right? It's supposed to be string buff 2, right? In the second line of before.
Yes, yeah, correct. It's my mistake. Okay. Okay. See, so string builder and string buffer doesn't implemented this hash code and equals. That is the reason it's always looking for a object class hash code implementation, and which will always provide a unique ID to all object, right? Okay. So now how we can compare? Let assume if I want to compare this two value, right? If these two are same or not, how I can do that? Is there any way to do that? We'll try with equals str buff equal to str buff.
Equals we can.
Okay. So we'll try with equals as well. We'll see like which one work. You have to remember this, okay? So it's not like it's in
It
interview.
should work with equals actually.
Okay, equals. We'll see. It will work with equals or not.
No, you have to convert that, right? Before we studied that we have to convert it to string, right?
Yes. So we'll see. First we'll see that, and then we'll come.
Okay.
So what is saying? It's saying false first. The reason it is simply comparing that address of this to object. So if you want to compare the content of string buffer or string builder, first you have to convert this to string, and then you can compare. White thing first. Okay. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, okay, there is a method. Okay, this is fine. So now we have done with string buffer. Any other method that we can use? Okay. So with string, right? So with string, like there is a, okay, this is string, right? str. Okay, let me take a new string here now. So if you want to reverse, right? Hello. If you want to reverse, so what you will do? stuff dot reverse. Simply it will reverse. Okay. Okay. So now we'll try with string. The string doesn't have reverse. Okay. The reason is immutable. You will reverse, it will create a new object. So it's not the same object which you are reversing. Clear? So string buffer, string builder have reverse method. Okay. Okay. Now one more thing. I'm having the string buffer, right? str dot dot set length. I have assigned length 8. Okay. str buff, and then I am using append.
I have one doubt.
Yeah.
Um, Again, this reverse will how it will be applied to string buffer directly.
Reverse can apply to string buffer directly, a string
You
builder.
don't need to change it to string.
No, the reverse method is belong to string buffer class, not
Okay.
for string class.
Okay.
The
Okay.
string buffer class method. Okay,
Okay.
that is the
Okay.
reason
Okay.
you are able to.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
So any manipulation, right? Append, insert, delete, reverse. So these are the thing you are manipulating that object content, right? Which is allowed
I
in string
append,
buffer and
I
string.
understand, but reverse how it works. Okay, fine. Yeah, I
Yeah.
understand. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
One second. We'll see some more example. Okay, so now we'll take so this is string buffer, right? We'll take a first string buffer. We'll say string. So whatever I'm writing for string buffer, everything will apply for string builder. Okay, so it's not like I will go and write something separate for string builder. It is same, everything as it is. Okay, so strz I've created, which is string buffer. Okay, and then I'm going to have here, I'm going to have nothing here. Okay, so now okay, let me add here Mumbai. Okay, so now I added Mumbai. Okay, and my string buffer is ready. Now someone come. Okay, you prepared the city list. Can you add one more city to it? So I will say okay. So str z, he said put Delhi in first position and Mumbai in second position. So what I will do? I will go. There is a method called insert. So you say insert offset int I. So one second. So when I, one second. So let me do one thing. So offset I will write here 1, and here I will write Delhi. Okay, and then we'll print str Z. So Delhi, here I have to write offset 0. So now Delhi is first, Mumbai is second. What I will do, I will add a space here, and it's fine. Delhi, Mumbai. Okay, then again someone come and they said, very good, I want to add Bangalore, BLR at the end. So what I will do is, so Mumbai is 3, 3, 6, Delhi is 3 to 5, 11, 12. Let me do here, let me simply add 12 position and we'll see. So Delhi, Mumbai, BLR, right? So you guys are able to understanding like what is happening here. So Delhi, Mumbai, BLR. So basically insert is a function which is available in string buffer, and I think the same is available in string builder as well. Okay. So you can utilize to add the content in the specific position. Okay. Now someone said, okay, but we don't need this, what do we call? We don't need this Delhi. You have to remove this Delhi. I don't want Delhi here in string buffer. So how I can delete Delhi? Str Z delete character also. Delete character, you will specify the index, it will delete. But I have to delete the word Delhi. So where Delhi start? Delhi start at 0, right? Where it's end?
Oh,
0, 1, 2,
5.
3,
5.
4. Okay, we'll take 4, we'll see.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, it's we'll see that and then we'll update one. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so I is remaining.
7. Yeah,
So
so
we'll
5.
delete 5. And there is a space also, right? So let it be 6. We'll see. So Mumbai BLR. Clear? So now we clear about reverse, delete, insert, append, and
Yes.
capacity already I have discussed. So most of the thing I have already covered. Okay. So now we'll go through certain questions. Okay. The first question everyone note down from now onwards. You have to note down the questions because this questions is going to help you out in your interview. Okay. So the major question they will ask you from this string buffer, string builder, and string. Okay. Then what is the difference between these three? That is the first question. The second question, can you explain the string constant pool in detail? Okay, that is the second one. And the third one is hash code and equals is overridden by string buffer, string builder. Yes or no, you have to answer. If you say yes, they will ask you. They will
Sorry, come again. Hash code is
hash code and equals.
equals. Okay.
Okay, they both are not overridden by string buffer, string builder. You have to remember this line. Okay, and then already I have explained split, right? Use of split, use of caret is use of string value of, right? And then they will ask the next question, what is immutability? Can you explain what is can you explain in details? So you have to explain whatever I teach you. Okay, the immutability is done. Okay, and they will ask how many interfaces, like can you name certain interface which string implemented? So already I have told you, right? Char sequence, serializable, right? So you have to name those interface. Okay, and then you remember like in one of the class I explained this equals, I'm comparing the value of two object, right? When I'm creating with new, when I'm creating with laterals. So those things you have to remember. So 5 or 6 question majorly, but mostly they will ask you 2 questions. 3+ year of experience is difference between these 3 and string constant pool, and which design pattern string constant pool use. So can you answer, Kritika?
Sorry. Come
Which
again,
design
sorry.
pattern string constant pool use?
Flyweight.
Okay, string builder is mutable or immutable?
String builder is mutable.
String buffer?
Sorry, string buffer and string builder both are mutable. String
Correct.
is immutable.
Yes. And which one is thread safe in between these three?
String buffer is thread safe and string builder is not thread safe. And even string is thread safe, string option.
No. The string is not thread safe. Okay, string
String
builder
is
is
not thread safe. Or string buffer is thread safe. String builder is not thread safe.
yes. There is only one which is thread safe, which is string buffer. Okay.
Buffer, okay, sorry. Yeah.
Yes. Correct. So now these two questions you can answer pretty well, and then there is a question related to program, right? They will ask you, okay, they will create your object and they will add this constant and sometime literals, and they will ask you, okay, it's pointing to the which object and compare these two object and all. Okay, so you have to go through that video. So we are done with string builder, string buffer, or string specific, all the methods and all. So if you guys have any question, any doubt, get it, write it down, send me in WhatsApp. Okay, I will send 3 4 advanced question, programmatical question, which most of the company ask to you guys. You have to look out into the internet and prepare yourself for that. Okay, 3 programs. If you're not able to understand, I will explain you in details. Okay, so tomorrow we'll have a wrapper class. We'll start our wrapper classes, and you have to prepare for your test. I will take a test probably day after tomorrow. Okay, everything related to string buffer, string builder, and then object class methods that I already have teach. Okay,
So the
I will
test
go.
means what kind of test is Abhinav?
So it's like Viva. I will ask
Okay.